I broke my old tripod at the airport, so I had to run and go and buy a new one. I bought this tripod from Pro Sales for $29, and this was actually way different than my old one. My old one used to flex at the bottom, but this one was straight bottoms, and it actually have two separate toggles, one for the phone and one for the camera. And you all see the part where I adjust in here. You can actually bend the neck to do like a hands-free video if you're doing like cooking or anything like that. Now for the cell phone toggle insert, it has to screw on at the bottom of it, and you just attach the phone. You can record like normal, and this has a mic insert at the top, a light insert at the side, and a tripod adapter insert at the other side. Tripod is also expandable to like 48 centimeters. And you can open it straight legs, not only when it's expandable but at normal size, and it's easy to scale right back down. So this is just a little demonstration with my camera and my phone, and yeah, I think I get my $29 worth. So yeah, bye.